Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Welcome, my name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here for you to see those best deals that we have coming this Sunday, January 20th up to January 26th. So there is some freebies and there's some good deals depending if you have those CRTs. And some of them are printable just in case you're starting and you don't have those coupons. And a lot of them we're going to be getting from this Sunday's paper. So they'll just be in the lookout to make sure that you did get those coupons on this Sunday's paper. So here's the ad, quickly showing you how it looks like on the front page. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you is the Almay. Like I mentioned, there's some good ones depending on the CRT. So if you have the CRT or a similar one that it has to do with cosmetics or Almay, this is good for you to use. You could get the lipstick and the eyeshadow. You will reach the $15. You could use two coupons, one for the lipstick, one for the eyeshadow, and the CRT. So you end up paying $6.98. At the end of your receipt, you get 5 ECB, making it a final price of 99 cents for each item. But don't forget, you could just mix and match also depending on the coupons that you do have. The next deal is the Lara bar, is for 1 count. These tend to be a little expensive, but I was able to see that you could actually get it just for $1. What you could do is buy two. In the CVS app, there is a coupon deducting 50 cents off two, and so you pay $2.50. There's also an offer in the Savings Star giving you back 50 cents when you buy two, I think, or just one, but it's just giving you back 50 cents, so you end up, the final price will be $1 each. Another deal is also for food item. This is Cheerios. The good thing is that depending on the size that you do find in the store, there is an offer in Savings Star, but I do see that it's for the big boxes. So if it is for the big, you can send us a Savings Star, but if not, it still make it a good deal. I also saw some printables that is for 75 cents off one, but it has to be specific of the type of Cheerios. So if you want those, you will save even more. So just buy 2 Cheerios. You could print a coupon. Also, the CVS app has one deducting 1 off 2. So from $4, you pay $3, making it $1.50. But I'm just sharing with you in case you could use those other options for you to save even more. Another offer that I want to go over is the Wet n Wild. This is just different ideas, different items that you could try out. Just not getting the same items, just getting items that probably are worth getting. But you could just mix and match because the prices are very affordable. So you could buy the blush, the primer, and an eyeliner. Your total will be $10.57. Use coupons, which is going to deduct $1 each for the face and for the eye item. So it will bring down your total to $7.57. Get back 5 ECB, making it 86 cents each. Here is the Suave. This is the big one. This is for 28 ounce. I did see the coupon more for the men body wash or men hair care actually, so just make sure that your coupon does match for the offer, but this is for the big one. This is for 28 ounce, so from $8 you pay $6 if you're able to use that coupon, which we're expecting this Sunday. You get back 3 ECB, making it $1.50 each. This is a good one. This is free, this is easy to do, but is also a coupon we're getting this Sunday. So just buy 2 of this Speed Stick, 2 for $6. Use that coupon, buy one get one, so you should deduct $3. You get back also at the end of your receipt $3, making it free. So this is a really good deal, and I believe this is a limit of 2. Just verify the flyer in case. This is another easy offer. You don't get any ECBs. It's also a coupon that we're expecting on this Sunday's paper. For the Chic disposables, it's going to be for $5.99. Use that coupon, deducting $4. So your total will be $1.99. This one, I saw the coupons. I think they were available last night, but this morning I don't think they're not available. But if you was able to print these, they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off, and you could pair with that coupon. If you have any CRTs that have to do with vitamins and you're able to reach the amount, it will be a really good deal also. But just use that coupon if you do have it available. Buy 2, use 2 coupons, and it will be 72 cents for each of the One A Day Nature's Medley vitamins. The Garnier care is very tricky because the ad from CVS does say that we're going to be getting a coupon, as you can see, for $3. In the database, I noticed I didn't see anything. So if we do get a coupon for $3, it will be free. But if not, you could just print it on arnicare.com And from $7.99 you use that printable. You pay $5.99, you get back 3 ECB. You could submit it to Ibotta. I saw an offer for $2 cash back. Just make sure that the offer does match the item that you're getting, since there were a few there, which it will be 99 cents. This is another offer. I really love getting my food items in Publix. I think I find the best deals there, but I noticed that in the ad, I think this will be a good deal. So that's why I wanted to include a food item on the special offers. So the Barilla pasta is going to be $4. So you could buy 6. There is different coupons. Mostly everybody got the 55 cents off too, but if you did get the dollar off too, it will make it even a better deal. But if you got the 55 cents off too, use 3 coupons, you pay $4.35 or 73 cents for each box, which is, I think, a pretty good deal. That's why I wanted to include it, since I normally get my pasta from Publix. This is a really, really good deal, especially if you have been getting some CRTs. I've been seeing more printed out during the week of this week. Sadly, I did not get these coupons, but if you did get them, this is a really good time to get this deal. So you buy 4 of the Boost Original. It's going to be for $6.99. The other one is going to be for $7.99. So just make sure you grab the one that you really want. So if you buy $6.99, you get 4 of those. Use 2 coupons deducting 5 each. So it's going to deduct $10. You could use that CRT, which is going to deduct $4 if you have the $4 CRT. So you pay $13.96. You get back 10 ECB, just making it 99 cents each, which is a really good deal. Irish Spring, finally, we're going to be getting some coupons from Irish Spring. We're going to be getting the coupon in Smart Source this Sunday. So you could, but the ECB says that you want to get 5 ECB, you need to buy 3 of those. So here's a deal idea. Buy 3 of the Irish Spring for $3.99. Use 3 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. And if you have any CRTs that we tend to get for body wash, in case you do get one like for 2 of 6, it will be a really good deal too. So stack up the CRT with that coupon. So you pay $6.97, you get back 5 ECB, making it just 66 cents each. This one is also going to be buy one, get one. And I've been seeing this printable coupon for a few weeks now, and it's still available. That's going to be provided below. So just select the coupons that you're really going to print. I just have them by order, by the ones mentioned on this deal. So if you already printed that coupon, you could actually do this offer. It's going to be 27 cents each, which is crazy, almost a quarter for a Hershey bar. So buy one, get one for $1.29. Use that coupon, and it will be just 27 cents each. Garnier will be a good deal if you have any CRT that has to do with cleansers, moisturizers, or any CRTs that is specific for Garnier facial products. So you could stack them up with these coupons, and with this offer, you could get a cleanser and a moisturizer. Doesn't have to be this specific. You could just, there's so many new ones too that you could just mix and match. Just make sure you do get a moisturizer and a cleanser, since the coupon is a limit of 1. So that you will use the coupon for the cleanser, one for the moisturizer, and for the CRT. So you pay $7.98, you get back 5 ECB, making $1.49 each, which is less than a mask. The mask tends to be like $3, so that's a pretty good deal. Garnier, this offer will be free and moneymaker only if you could do this, if you have the coupon, and if you could do this on early activation, meaning you're able to do this deal only on Saturday, since the coupon does expire on Saturday. So buy 2 of the Garnier hair care or the whole blend. Use the coupon deducting 3, so you pay 4, but you get back 5 ECB, making it free and $1 moneymaker, but only if you're able to do this deal on Saturday. The next offer is also going to be free if you have any CRTs. Sometimes we'll be getting CRTs for Colgate or just for toothpaste. So you have any of those, it will be a free offer. You buy 2 of the Colgate Max toothpaste for 3. That will be $6. We're also expecting coupons for Colgate this Sunday on Smart Source, January 20th. So use 2 of those and use any CRT that you have. So you pay $4. You get back 4 ECB when you buy 2, making it free. But if you don't have that CRT, it will be 50 cents, which is also a good deal. But just be on the lookout in case you did get any CRTs. Covergirl, I wanted to mix and match. I didn't want to just put the Covergirl brow pencil, which is mostly the case. It does make it free, sometimes moneymaker, but I wanted to put other items there. So in this case, it will be the brow pencil and the lipstick. You saw those, you buy 3 items for $16.27. Use 3 coupons, deducting 2 each for the face and for the eyes. Also, there's printables for that too, in case you don't have enough. And if you have any CRTs that has to do with cosmetics, or I've seen CRTs also that's specific for CoverGirl, you could use that as well. So you pay $7.27. It will be your price at the register, but at the end of that receipt, you get 7 ECB when you spend 15, making it 9 cents each. But don't forget, you could just mix and match since there's so many good CoverGirl deals, so many new CoverGirl offers, cosmetics in store. So the next offer and the last offer is for Cetaphil. Cetaphil I really like because it is really nice for sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, so it's really nice for the skin, but it could be a little expensive. This is a good time for you to get those items, or sometimes just give it away for the people that really need it. The good thing is that there is coupons that we did get a few weeks back, but there's also printables in case you don't have those coupons. Check if you have any CRTs that has to do with cleansers, which will help also bring down the total. So you buy 2 of the Cetaphil, use 2 printable coupons, or either from Smart Source, use any CRTs that you may have. You pay $12.58. You get back 5 ECB, making it $3.79. But also, if you could mix and match, because I do see that you could buy other ones as well. So you could buy one of the $2.29, and you could buy one that is around $5 or $6. Then you're able to use 3 coupons, which is going to help bring down your total even more. So it's depending what you see and the coupons that you do have. So these are all the best offers. I wanted to include some of the deals, best deals that has to do with full items as well. The good thing is that some of those coupons we're getting this Sunday, some are printable. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you could also see the complete list also in my blog, excitedforcoupons.com. Don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. You can subscribe if you haven't done so, and I really appreciate you watching this video. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Bye.